Hello. So today my lecture is on Perkin condensation, that is Perkin reaction or Perkin condensation. So I am starting with first the introduction part, then reaction, main reaction, then schematic diagram or the mechanism, then some examples, and then some two or three examples or applications. Now the introduction. From the name we can see it is a condensation reaction, means here two molecules reacts with them and a small molecule with goes out from the reaction. This is the main condensation reaction, that is the product will condense. Here the main reactant is aromatic aldehyde and an acid anhydride. The main product here formed is the alpha beta unsaturated aromatic acid. What is alpha beta means? If we take this acid OH, so simply this is the C double bond of carbonyl carbon. So this is alpha, this is beta. So alpha beta unsaturated means this carbon is double bonded. This type of product will form. Now the main reaction. See the reaction. Here I am taking the benzaldehyde as a aromatic aldehyde and acetic anhydride as an acid anhydride. We use here sodium acetate as a base which can attack as a amplifier and attack as base in a 180 degree. Firstly this molecule will form and then again OH will attack and H2 will leave here and cinnamic acid is formed when we use benzaldehyde and acetic anhydride here. This is the Perkin condensation reaction. Now the schematic diagram. Let's see here. Sorry, this is wrong. This was wrong. This is acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. You can see here. Previously, I've seen you. The sodium acetate is formed. That is the acetate minus ion will attack here as a base. So let's see. Here first the enolate will form here. You can see this is the acidic hydrogen here in the alpha position of the carbon. So acetate ion will abstract this bond will go down this and this will this. So here negative minus. Now here an aldol condensation type of reaction will happen. This negative will come back here and this double bond means this pi electrons will attack this benzaldehyde CO carbon and this will upwards. So again here minus this, you can see here this carbon is minus and this carbon will form here and this will this and this double bond over here. Now here will be intramolecular acyl transfer, that is this O negative will attack this CO and this. Again here forms one O negative and it will come back and this bond will break. Now here you can see this bond will break and here again Again another molecule of acetic anhydride will come here, and this O minus will attack here. This bond goes up, so again goes down, and acyl ion will generate SO minus. Then in the solvent there is H2O, so OH minus again attack this acidic hydrogen, and this will abstract, and this bond will break. So here you can see this is alpha position according to this, and this is beta position, alpha beta unsaturated product initially forms. Now again OH minus will attack here, and this will upwards, so minus. Then here O minus will come back, and this ACOH group, this will not be here, mainly minus ACOH will be here. ACOH will leave here, and this O negative, and then again HOC give some H plus ion, and this will form cinnamic acid. This was the main mechanism of Perkin condensation. Now we take one example. First example, you can see this. Again here, if we give name 3, 4, 5, 3,5-dimethoxybenzaldehyde, and it will reacts with this Ac2O. Again acetic anhydride will work here, 83N, and this. Here you can see this alpha beta unsaturated second is it is also one application is the furfural. Here aromatic, this compound is aromatic, and here CHO and aromatic aldehyde reacting with acetic anhydride and sodium acetate as a base, here forms this alpha beta furyl acrylic acid. Now take third example, that is when we synthesize the coumarin from salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde is a aromatic aldehyde, again reacting with acetic anhydride. It will firstly form that the alpha beta unsaturated acid, that is the coumaric acid, which after dehydration form coumarin. Mainly this synthesis of furyl acrylic acid from furfural is one application which I shown before. Again synthesis of coumaric acid from salicylaldehyde through Perkin condensation, which on dehydration forms coumarin. And another is, this is the phytoestrogenic stilbene reversatile synthesis, also goes through the Perkin condensation. Thank you.